all the niggas in Joker, play the game, play the everything. Let me ask you a question. If you're not subscribe my YouTube channel, I'm gonna punk your ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Hoe ass nigga. You understand? Come on my mouth. Huh? Let me ask you a question, bro. All the niggas Somalia, they talking shit, people, man. They look like you. Are you a monkey or donkey? Bitch ass niggas. All the Somali women, all the Somali guys. You know Africa? Somali thing? Well, bullshit. Yo, just subscribe my YouTube channel. There ain't no fucking no kids allowed. Do you know me, bro? Bro? I know. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. Let me ask you a question. I'm a joker. If you mess with me, I'm gonna mess with your ass, motherfucker, bitch. And let me ask you a question. Dude, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Somali Studio, in Columbus, Ohio. Peace and love, motherfucker.
Yeah, what's up, man? What's up? I'm a hammer in the mood, bro. I'm a hammer boot. You see that? I'm the front, the fox. You understand, bro? I have to eat you like this. Hiya!